how to reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to journal management. Tap on the journal management. Again scroll down. Tap on a reset. In the reset you can see reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. In latest Android 14 version, separate the mobile network settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Let's first reset mobile network settings. Tap on it. This will reset all mobile network settings. Tap on the reset setting. Unlock your device. Now tap on a reset. Are you sure you want to reset your mobile network settings? Now tap on a reset to reset your mobile network settings to default. Now go back. Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. It will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. All Wi-Fi save password remove from your device. You need to enter password again. Now tap on the reset setting button. Now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting reset. Now you need to connect Wi-Fi again to use it. That's it. If you like it, share it.